11th standard, exercise 1.1, fifth question. Justify the trueness of the statement. The given statements are an element of a set can never be a subset of itself. An element of a set can never be a subset of itself. The solution is directly we have to write the solution. Answer is yes. The statement is true. Yes, the statement is true. So how is possible? So explain some reason or example. Let us take a set. Let A equal to, take any one of the set 1, 3, 5 is a set. Let A be a set and 1, 3, 5 is the element of A. So again we have to write subset of A equal to, what are the subsets of A? There are 9 subsets, 8 subsets. So 1 first subset, 1 is the first subset and 3 is the second subset, 5 is the third subset and pair of elements 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 5 and 3 comma 5, then 1 comma 2 comma 3. It is also a subset and a empty set. Both are subset of A. It is clear that 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5 is the element of A. Then the subset of A is single subset and double number and third. Also empty set also a subset of A. Now 1 belongs to, so for any element, an element of a set, meaning that take any element in A. So for example 5 belongs to A. It is clear that 5 is the element of A, belongs to A, and 5 same as 5 does not belongs to A. 5 does not belongs to subset of A. 5 is the element, but subset of A we have C. 5 is a subset of element. So because this meaning is 5 belongs to subset of A. This one is correct. So 5 and 5 both are not equal. 5 and 5 are not equal. These are different meaning. 5 is a element and 5 is a subset. It is clear that. So again we understand the statement, an element of a set can never be a subset of itself. Can never be a subset. So 5 is the element set in A, but same 5 is not in element subset of A. It is clear that not in element subset of A. In case is the subset of element of A, same is 5 or occur. Same 5 or occur in subset of A. It is same answer. But 5 is the element, it is not occur in subset of A. So an element of a subset can never be a subset of itself. This statement is true. Hence the result. So 5 belongs to A, but 5 does not belong to subset of A. Only 5 occur in subset of A. So this statement is true. Complete the problem. Question number 6. If n of P of A equal to 1024, 1024, and n of A in B equal to 15, and n of P of B equal to 32, then find n of A intersection B. Find n of A intersection B. So n of meaning number of element in P of A. It is meaning that number of element in P of A is 1024. Number of element in A union B is 15. N of meaning number of element in A union B is 15. N of P of B. N of P of B is number of element in P of B 32. Then find n of A intersection B. So n of A intersection B meaning the number of element in A intersection B. So what are the data are given? Solution. We see the solution. First one given. So given is n of P of A. N of P of A equal to 1024. Then n of A union B. N of A union B equal to 15. Then n of P of B. P of B equal to 32. Both data are given. To find, what is find? To find n of A intersection B. What? Clear that? So given data, what is given, what is find? Is this clear that? So next one, P of A. What is P of A? P of A is power set of A. Power set of A. The definition of power set. Already we see the definition. So once again I will take out to you. P of A. Let A be a set. Let A be a set and power set of all subset of A is called power set of A. Power set of A, and it is denoted by P of A. It is denoted by P of A. Let A be any set. Once again understand that A be any set. All subset of A is called power set of A. Power set of A. It is denoted by P of A. And the number of element in P of A is a formula. The number of element in P of A is denoted nothing but 2 power n. The number of element in P of A is 2 power n, where n is number of element in A, where n is number of element in A. Most important definition. And also it is one more using the formula. So once again I will call you all subset. If A be any set, all subset of A is called power set of A. It is denoted by P of A, where number of element in power set of A is 2 power n, where n is number of element in A. So using this formula for the given data. So given data, what is given? N of P of A equal to 1024. So n of P of A equal to 1024. So n of P of 4. So n of P of 4 is a 2 power n. Is a 2 power n. So n of P of A is equal to 2 power n equal to convert to 1024 in 2 power n, 2 power 10. 1024 equal to 2 power n. Both base are equal, therefore n equal to 10. Therefore n equal to 10. It is meaning that n equal to 10. What is n? Where n is number of element in A. Therefore we get number of element n of A. N of A is meaning that number of element in A equal to 10 by using power set result. This clear that n of P of A 1024 are given, then n of P of A is a power set of A. So 2 power n equal to 1024 is converted to 2 power 10. So n equal to 10. So n of P equal to 10. Is clear that? So after n of P of B equal to 32. Again, so given n of P of B, n of P of B equal to 32. So n of P of B is equal to n of P of B equal to 2 power n, same as 2 power n. So 2 power n equal to 2 power 5. 32 converted to 2 power 5. Therefore n equal to 5. Therefore n equal to 5. Where n equal to 5, then after the solution, number of element in B, n of B, number of element in B equal to 5, using power set concept. It is clear? Number of element in A, number of element in B. So after, use the formula. So after that, we have using the formula n of A intersection B. To find n of A intersection B equal to, use the formula n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. This is the probability formula. N of A intersection B, n of A intersection B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. So applying the data for n of A intersection B, n of A, number of element in A equal to 10, number of element A is 10, plus n of B, number of element in B is 5, minus n of A union B, n of A union B is 15, so 15. Therefore n of A intersection B, n of A intersection B equal to 0 element. N of A intersection B equal to 0. It is fine. The given data are fine. N of A intersection B is 0. Once again, if you recall, think about number of P of A intersection B is, what is element? Number of P of A, n of, it is, answer is completed. N of, the given question is to find n of A intersection B. Further we call power set element. It is not a solution given data, but further your confirmation you have solved. Number of power set of A intersection B is what? So number of power set of A intersection B is nothing but 2 power n. So number of power set of A intersection B is nothing but 2 power n is a formula, where n is number of element in A intersection B. What is number of element in A intersection B? 0 element. So 2 power 0 equal to 1 element. N of power set of A intersection B equal to 1 element. Is clear that solution are completed, n of A intersection B, but power set, we have the power set is 1 power set. The number of power set of A is only 1 element. Question is completed. Question number 7. So given data is, if n of A intersection B, n of A intersection, number of element in A intersection B is 3, number of element in A union B is 10, then find number of power set of A difference B. Number of power set of A difference B is what? So we see the solution. Given data, what are data are given? Given is number of element A intersection B equal to 3, then number of element in A union B equal to 10, number of element in A intersection B is 3, number of element in A union B is 10. So to find, what is find? To find number of power set of asymmetric difference. Number of power set of asymmetric difference or what? So those are given data. So to find the data, first you have to write down symmetric difference is formula. The formula for symmetric difference formula, we know that symmetric difference, asymmetric difference B, already write the formulas in previous classes. A difference B equal to A union B minus A intersection B. Symmetry difference, there are two type of formula. First formula is A difference B equal to A minus B union B minus A is first formula. Again second formula is A difference B equal to A union B minus A intersection B. This is the symmetric difference formula for 2. So using second formula. So number of element in A symmetric difference B equal to number of element in A union B minus number of element in A intersection B. So n of meaning number of element in. We have to find out number of element, after that power set. So number of A difference B equal to number of A union B minus number of A intersection B. So number of A union B are given. A union B is 10. So 10 element minus number of A intersection B is 3. Therefore number of element in A symmetric difference B equal to 7 elements. Number of A symmetric difference B is 7 elements. So what is find number of power set of A symmetric difference B is 2 power n is the formula. Number of power set of A equal to 2 power n is the formula, power set formula, basic formula. So A is 2 power n. So A difference B is same as 2 power n. Notations are different, meaning are same. So 2 power n. So where n is number of element in A difference B, where n is number of element in A. It is meaning, power set meaning, where this n is number of element in A. So same formula apply this meaning, where this n is number of element in power set of A difference B. So number of element in power set of A difference B is 7. So applying n by 7, probability of number of power set of A difference B equal to 2 power 7 elements. So 2 power 7 is 128 is number of element in power set of A difference B. Number of element in power set of A difference B is 128 element. Complete this problem. 8th problem. For a set A contains, for a set A and A cross A contains 16 elements and 2 of its element are 1, 3 and 0, 2. 2 of its elements are 1, 3 and 0, 2. Find the element of A. What is given data? What is to find? We see the solution. First given data. First of all given A cross A. A cross A contains 16 pair of element. So there are only given 2 pair of elements. 1, 3 is a 1 pair and 0, 2 is another pair. Remaining pair of don't know. So totally 16 pair of elements. So it is given data. What is to find? To find the elements of A. Element of A. So first we have considered the basic concept of Cartesian product. The basic concept of Cartesian product is, let us consider A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 3, 4, 5. So A is 3 elements, B is 3 elements. So A cross B contains how many elements are there? There are 3 cross 3, 9 elements. It is clear? Same as A is contains 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. B is contains 1, 2, 3. Then A contains 4 elements. So A cross B contains how many elements? A is 4. B is 3. So totally 4, 3, 12 pair of elements are A cross B. Consider same concept. So A cross A contains 16 elements. So A must be 4 element, also A must be 4 elements. Both are same sets. So the element of A is must be 4. So what is 4 element? So next concept is the element of A is the number of elements. The number of elements of A is 4. So what is 4 element? To find the 4 element. So basic concept of Cartesian product A equal to, the basic concept of Cartesian product is first entries. First element is taking first set. So A equal to 1. Again second pair 0 is 1. So for A is contains first element is 1 comma 0. Second two elements are don't know. So first element is 1 comma 0. There are two elements given to pair. Again second element, second set is also A. Second elements contain second pair. Second pair of elements contain second sets. Again second set is two elements are 3 comma 2. Second two elements are not there. So both are same set. So A is 1 comma 0 and another A is 3 comma 2. Both are same set. There are 4 elements. The 4 elements are, the elements of A is, first set is 2 elements, again set is 2 elements, so 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 is the only for 4 elements. So multiple of A cross A is we have 16 pair of elements. Clear that? Complete the problem.